This luxurious south-facing waterfront condo has a one-of-a-kind open floor plan and is beautifully appointed with custom millwork and hardwood floors. The 1,700-plus square foot home has 3 balconies, an open-concept kitchen west/bar seating, a dining area with tray ceilings, a large living room west/access to a huge balcony, and a spacious primary suite with new carpeting, a gorgeous custom bath, dual vanities, 2 walk-in closets, and an office area. The second bedroom is well appointed west/a custom closet and private balcony, and the second bath is completely updated west/neutral designer tile. Building amenities include 24-hour doorman, indoor pool, gym and party room.